Hi guys! My name is Kyle Shaneya Imana.
My name is CJ.
And we are family. So ngayon guys, magda-draw.
Draw kami.
Yeah, magda-draw kami. Magda-drawing kami. Doon sa part 2, ang dinawing natin is Kuromi. Ang ida-drawing naman natin today is
Pom-pom.
yeah, pom-pom naman. Doon sa part 2 kasi guys is ano lang.
For me is Hello Kitty.
Sa kanya ay Hello Kitty. Sa akin is pom-pom. So, kung di ka pa... So, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So, guys, kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe nyo na yan. Diyan lang sa baba, okay? So, start na tayo, ha? Start na tayo. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So, guys, start. Timer starts now.
Oh no, I don't have something to do.
Guys, mag-search.
I can't, Ate. I can write my face.
Is that okay? You're a kid. Okay. Kung di ka pa nakashare dyan at subscribe, please subscribe mo na yan. So, start the type of the drawing. Ang akin kasi pom-pom. Yung una ko kasing drawing is my melody. So, ngayon guys, nung part 2 is, nung part 2 is Kuromi. Ngayong part 3 is pom-pom naman. So, tara na. Wait lang guys, kukuhanan ko muna siya ng pencil si CJ. Wait. So guys, nakuhanan ko na si CJ and start na tayo mag-drawing. Ito, nakahanda na yung papel ko at lapis ko. Yun naman CJ.
This is my pencil. This is my ball pen.
Paper.
And then this is my paper.
Yan, ayan daw yung papel niya. So, tara
But
na!
something is drawing here.
Yan, may drawing na daw. So, tara na.
Oh,
Drawing na tayo!
Just draw now.
Wait guys. So guys, kumuha na kami ng color namin. So guys, sabihin pa lang sa inyo, ito pala si CJ, pinsan ko siya. And yeah, pinsan ko siya. Siya yung ano ko, lagi kong kalaro. Lagi ko siyang kalaro dito. Tuwing Monday to Friday.
Let's go now.
Yes! Right na tayo!
Right now.
Let's go na!
Go.
Yep. Why?
Nothing.
Ayan guys, na-drawing ko na yung ano niya dito. Dito niya sa hat niya. You see? Yan. You see?
Can you please search Hello Kitty? Can you please search Hello Kitty?
So yan guys, nag-drawing siya Hello Kitty, you see? So guys,
How guys? We are done na drawing.
Head. Hello Kitty.
With the Hello Kitty. But I am not so done. I'm just joking. But I need, what is the Hello Kitty's eyes? I don't know. What is
Si
Hello
JD
Kitty's
so
eyes?
copy.
What is Hello Kitty's eyes?
So, CJ, copy mo to. Wait lang. CJ, no. Hindi yan. This one, no. Wala na yung phone. Ayan, guys. Wait, CJ. Wait lang guys, babalikan kayo namin. No, no. So yan guys, magdodrawing na kami. Start na kami. Wait guys. Na ano kasi, na doubled up. Yan guys, kinakopy lang namin. Diba, CJ?
Yeah. Ate?
What?
Oh, it's not working.
Oh my god, so pretty.
Mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia.
Like that mo na lang.
What?
Like that oh. Okay. Oh. So yun guys. Sorry guys.
It's not working.
Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, I am going to show you
Wait guys. No, sige, i-stop yan eh. Hindi mo yung matodrawing pag may stop. Wait. Wait. Ay, pantay nga. O, like that na lang. I-drawing mo. Yan guys, ay done na. So guys, tapos na ako mag-drawing. So, kukulayan ko na lang. Yan yung drawing ko guys. Yan. Maliit lang siya guys. Pero yung kay Melody at Kuromi malaki. Sorry guys. Kung ano. Yan. Ito yung gagamitin natin ngayon. Yan. Crayons siya. Subscribe nyo na to, babes. Pag di nyo to sinuscribe, lagot kayo sa akin. Pupuntahan ko kayo. Joke lang.
Itchy.
Yan guys. Kukulayan na natin. Yan. Guys, lahat ng katawan niya is color yellow. Ang hindi lang yellow guys, yung hat niya dito. Si JC.
Welcome on Super Easy Drawings
Huwag niyong
channel.
kukulayan ng yellow yung yellow ng hat niya. Dapat
Hello Kitty. Step by
Hello.
step.
ayan guys. Hi guys, I'm drawing Hello Kitty.
Hi guys, I'm drawing Hello Kitty.
You say, guys, nagdodrawing ako ng Hello Kitty.
Nag-drawing ako Hello Kitty.
Sabi niya daw guys, nagdrawing daw siya ng Hello Kitty. Yeah. So brown naman, kukunin natin. So guys, mag-comment kayo dyan kung gusto niyo ako gumawa. I-like niyo tong video na to kung gusto niyo ako gumawa ng slime.
Huh? Ate, help me. Toti's there. My daddy's there.
Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel.
My daddy's there.
Today,
guys, ah.
I am going to show you how to draw.
My daddy's there.
Pag alis si CJ, maglilinis ka ng maayos eh. Siya ha.
Sige. So, yan guys. Magkukulay naman tayo ng brown. Ito guys, brown.
Ayan, guys.
Grabe mo yan.
I'll draw you.
Hindi mapablock yan ha.
Ayan guys.
Sobrang haba niyan ha.
Alpa. Alpa.
Ay, lalabas.
Ayan guys.
It's not working, guys.
Yan guys.
It's not
Tapos na ako. Tapos na ako guys. Yan siya guys. Yung nadodrawing niya pa lang. Tapos ito na yung sa akin. So, yan. So, yun lang guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Bye.